welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you the Happy Mail that I received from Brittany Bentley over at BB's Crafts. I will link her information in the description box below. We had participated in the Loaded Envelopes Galore and More Facebook group, the Elf Boot Swap MDC. I created a tutorial, I hosted the swap, and as soon as I saw Brittany's, I knew that I wanted to have it. So this is the swap. She created this elf boot using my tutorial. Link for my tutorial in the description box if you wanted to make one yourself. But it's super, super fun. This is the Witch's Boot MDC from Lori Whitlock. It was really easy to size down into memory decks form. It was a pretty easy tutorial to complete, so I really do encourage you to check it out. But this is her swap. Super cute. She did a really large pom-pom on the tip, as well as some, I think these are handmade flowers. Nice job on the flowers. Flowers are my thing. And it looks like she used a couple branches, maybe some branches from like Michael's or something. There's a gold bow at the top, and she's laced it with some thin pink ribbon down here. A few more flowers and a couple of puff balls. She used a snowflake to kind of back it off. And she's got some pom-pom trim here along with some charms. And she did a cute little Santa charm and some jingle bells here. Super cute. Love it. And inside, I found a cute little Santa pick, which I really, really like. She sent me some Santa socks. This is the cute little card that she had put inside. And a little bonus, she sent me a little hot chocolate. This is an easel on the back, so it actually stands like that. I'll give you a better look. But inside, she did, this is so cute. It's like a little hot chocolate loaded envelope in a way. How cute. This is a belly band, and it has some hot cocoa mix, double chocolate. Sounds yummy. A couple of candy canes. And, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I saw this. So BB crochets, and this is one of her cup cozies that she sells in her shop. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get it out because I'm a toucher. I like to feel things. So, oh, this is adorable. This is absolutely adorable. So she's got the cutest little charm on here. She's got some beads. And then she put a pink swan and a lollipop and the cutest little pink bow. And then, of course, it's the cup koozie. How cute. I love this. Thank you so much, Brittany. This is the first time her and I have swapped. So I was so pleasantly surprised. Thank you so much for everything. And check out BB's Crafts if you haven't followed her on YouTube. She's a great designer. She's got some fun things in her shop. And I will see you in the next crafty video. Bye.